Let me just summarize for you how far we have come. If you remember, page 201 of your course text, page 201 of your course text, it has statements almost as if stated or put in the universal, or rather in the square of opposition. So you have all SRP here, no SRP, some SRP, and some S are not P. And then it has stylistic variants of all those statements listed on that table. Again, it's page 201. Let me put it up here, page 201. All those statements, any S is a P, every S is a P, each S is a P, any S is a P. If anything is an S, then it is a P. Things are S only if they are P, only P or S. All those statements are reducible. All those statements up here are reducible to this for all x. If x is S, then x is P. All those statements. And I assure you that most of the statements used in the section on predicate logic that are universal affirmative will be variants of what you see here, right here. Let me bring it closer, right there. There'll be variants of what you see right there. No SRP, all those statements are reduced to this. Please take note of where the tilde is appearing. It's not appearing here. It's appearing there. If it appeared here, it would really be this rather than that. And then again, look at all the variants for no SRP. Nothing that is an S is a P. A thing is an S only if it is not a P. If anything is an S, then it is not a P. Nothing is an S unless it is not a P. And then the variants for this are listed there. It says there are S that are P, at least one S is a P. There exists an S that is a P. Something is both an S and a P. That really looks like this. All of them are symbolized in that way. All of them. And then you have the final one. At least one S is not a P. Not all S are P. Not every S is a P. Something is an S but not a P. There's an S that is not a P. This is what you have. Then again, notice where the tilde appears. Now, let me take you to page 431. Page 431. And see how these are symbolized. No, look at page 431, part C, symbolizing. Symbolize the following statements using the schemes of abbreviation provided. No Zoroastrians are Muslims. That is an E statement. If it's an E statement, that's how you symbolize it. It'll take this sort of format. All kangaroos are marsupials. That is an A statement, so it falls here. If it falls here, then this is how you will symbolize it. Of course, you'll use different predicate letters. So for example, instead of S, you'll use a K, sorry, not a K, but an M, and then over here, actually you'll use a K, yeah. You'll use a K, and then here you'll use an M. Look at the next one. Peter Abelard is a logician, but Jacob Böhme is not. Now those are particular statements. So Peter Abelard is a logician will be LA dot tilde LB. That's what it'll be. Not every marsupial is a kangaroo. Anytime that is an A statement that has been negated, anytime you negate an A statement, you're really affirming an O statement. So you could basically symbolize it in that way and put a tilde at the beginning, or you could just as well symbolize it in that way. And then you have nothing is right. That's a little less complicated because it has an is rather than an are. So it'll have the letter R and then X. And then you will have this here. Then that's tilde. I believe that that's what it is. I might need to be corrected here, but let's see how he does that. My scheme of abbreviation. Page 424. Yeah, I was wrong. This one comes here. That one comes here. So what's the difference then? Nothing is human means that for all x, x is not human. You'll not find an instance where x is human. And here nothing is right means you'll not find an instance where anything is right. So I apologize for that error. So let me correct that. It'll look like this. But when you put it this way, then it really means not everything is right, which is different from saying nothing is right. Not everything is right means that there could be at least one thing that's right. That's wrong, I'm sorry. This one is basically ruling them all out. So if you have this scheme of abbreviation, it should prove helpful in handling all these concerns. Okay?